The death toll from heavy rains in Brazil's southern Rio Grande do Sul state jumped to 56 as of Saturday morning. Helicopters are being used to rescue residents of the rooftops who were isolated in their homes by the widespread flooding that has already displaced more than 30,000 people. Without internet, telephone service, or electricity, residents struggle to provide updates or information to their relatives.
A gente passou sufoco desde terça-feira.
Desde terça-feira sem notícias, sem saber como é que eles estavam. Mas felizmente tudo certo, graças ao corpo de bombeiros aí.
According to the Brazilian Geological Service, the flooding statewide has surpassed that was seen during a historic 1941 deluge. According to the defense agency, water level in some cities were at their highest since record began nearly 150 years ago. Weather across South America is affected by the climate phenomenon El Niño, a periodic natural occurring event that warms surface waters in the equatorial Pacific region. In Brazil, El Niño has historically caused drought in the north and intense rainfall in the south. The impact of El Niño this year have been particularly dramatic, with a historic drought in the Amazon. Scientists say extreme weather is happening more frequently due to human-caused climate change.